Hello everyone, welcome to HujiProductions, and today we're doing another tiny tool. So this is the INIU, or however you pronounce it, power bank, and it's the P50, which is the 10,000 milliamp hour 45 watt power bank. So let's get on and open it. Let's see what it looks like. So, in the cardboard box, we have a leaflet that says, scan the barcode on the seal sticker, which is the barcode there, and something else happens. It does say on the back that you get a 3-year warranty if you scan it, and then you've got a user manual. So it could have a 3-year guarantee. It reckons it can recharge in 2 hours, which is fairly quick. Let's see what bits and pieces you get with it. Right. So, quite compact. pretty good for carrying, I would imagine. Let's get some scale. So my digital calipers have run out of battery. Hang on one moment. Okay, so I have a ruler. Let's measure it. So we're about 8 centimeters long. We are about 5 centimeters tall, and a width of, well, about 2.5, so about 1 inch. It's got a very neat little, what looks like the on-off button there. It's got excuse me, it's got an in and out USB type C, in and out USB type C, and you're out 3 USB B. I think it's B. So turn it on. This has come with 51% charge. It's a really nice little display. So I will put that on charge. I can use either of those. Turn that on. And it's flashing to show it's charging. So I will leave that charging and then carry on. Okay, I was just looking at the instructions. So that connector is obviously a USB type A, not B that I said. You can get 18 watts out with that connector, and you can get 45 watts out with the type C's. Type C is a higher power output format. Right, and just in case you're interested, the fast charging formats are PD 3.0, PD 2.0, QC 3.0, QC 2.0, PPS, AFC, and then it says etc. So presume it does some other lesser known or older formats as well. Okay, and this lanyard that it comes with is rather nifty, because it's actually, as it says in the words here, a cable. And you can just pop these out like this. Pops out sideways. Just pull it out, And you've actually got a Type C to Type C to Type C cable for charging, which is perfect for what I want, because that will suit my phone nicely. So that would plug in. In fact, we might be able to use this while it's charging. Yeah, so it's come up with the charging. So you can charge the power bank and your phone at the same time if you really wanted to. So let's just pop that back in, and it's as simple as that. And the way it's designed is it's strong that way, as long as they don't pop out sideways. It's a really good fit in there. It's very nicely done. Okay, so we're nearly there, 99%. What I'll do is I'll work out from the timestamps of the video how long it's taken to do the 49% charge from 51 to 100, and I'll display that, but it's got to get to 100 yet. Okay, so we're now fully charged. What I will do is work out how long that took to do approximately 50%, and I'll put the amount here, or maybe here. Right, so thank you for watching. I think as far as sort of like everyday carry things, tiny tools, I think a power bank in say an urban everyday carry is an absolute essential. Just to compare the size, this is our sort of main carry, but this is a lot heavier and a lot bigger, so we wanted something far more portable that you don't sort of think twice about picking up and carrying with you. This isn't too heavy, it's quite a neat compact little unit. So there you go, this is the INIU 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. So I think I might put it on for a test. So that's charged now, so that is coming off the charge, and my phone is sitting down at 20% now. So I'm going to get the cable out, and I'm going to set a timer going, and I'm going to see how long it takes. Not timer, a stopwatch going, and I'm going to plug it in and see how long this takes to charge the phone up from 20% to 100%. So I'm going to leave that running as it is. I'll keep an eye on it, and I'll bring you back, because you don't want to sit there for a very long time and watch this. Bring you back. I will bring you back, don't worry, it's okay. Okay, I'm hopelessly impatient. So I'm having a look to see how it's getting on. We're down to 89% on the power bank, and we're up to 41% on the phone in 22 minutes. So that's pretty damn good. It is officially fast charging, the phone said, so that's good. So I'll leave it again and bring you back. So quick update in case I miss the spot at which it gets to 100%. We're at 91% on the phone now. It's been going for an hour and 11 minutes, and we're down to 60 on the power bank. So pretty much full charge, and we've only used 40%. So you could get a couple of decent charges out of this, and it's not very big to carry. Okay, So somewhere in the last few minutes we got to full charge. So we've gone from 20 to 100% on the phone, and from 100% down to 58% on the battery pack in an hour and a half. So that's pretty excellent. Yeah, happy with that. Yeah, excellent. Right, well there you go, that's the test done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and say goodbye. Bye.